Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows fluffy. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and water. Don't forget a touch of vanilla extract for that classic taste, and powdered sugar for dusting. These simple components are the foundation for creating wonderfully soft and airy homemade marshmallows. Next, let's prepare the syrup and gelatin. Bloom your gelatin in cold water for about 5 to 10 minutes until it softens. In a separate saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and the remaining water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, without stirring, until it reaches precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for the perfect texture. Now for the magic, whipping. Carefully pour the hot syrup in a slow, steady stream into your bloomed gelatin while whipping on low speed. Once combined, increase the speed to high. Whip for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the mixture triples in volume, becomes very thick, and turns a brilliant white. It should hold stiff peaks, indicating perfect fluffiness. Finally, it's time to set and enjoy your delicious creation. Lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch pan and dust it generously with powdered sugar. Pour the fluffy marshmallow mixture into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Dust the top with more powdered sugar. Let it set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight, before cutting into squares or other fun shapes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.